In July of 2020, the Boring Company announced a competition called the Not a Boring Competition, asking student teams from around the globe to submit their innovative tunneling solutions to see who can build a 30-meter long tunnel the quickest. UMD Loop was up to the task. This team of 55 undergrad engineering, computer science, math, physics, and business students leapt into action and submitted both a preliminary design briefing and a final design package, and got accepted as part of the Digging Dozen. This summer, we'll take our tunnel boring machine to Nevada to compete in this first ever competition. Since the team's founding in 2015, nearly 200 alumni have participated on the team, previously as part of the SpaceX Hyperloop competition, which focused on the development of high-speed Hyperloop pods. The engineers that passed through the team worked hard and gained a lot of great engineering skills they couldn't have gotten in the classroom, through getting their hands dirty by building, testing, and iterating their designs. It's often said that failure is central to engineering, but UMD Loop provides a safe, mentorship-focused environment for students to learn why things fail and how to make them better next time. Unfortunately, these opportunities don't come cheap. The UMD Loop TBM costs nearly $200,000, and the travel costs alone are expected to be $25,000. Our design has been paid for through sponsorships and the generosity of the University of Maryland, but our travel costs are still on the table, and that's where we need your help. For every $300 donated on this Launch UMD campaign, one more student's flight to and from competition is fully paid for. If we can exceed our fundraising goals, we'll be able to send more engineers to see their designs in action. We greatly appreciate any donation to our team's travel expenses, and upon donating, we'll keep you updated with pictures of the build progress and of competition in a monthly newsletter. Even if you can't donate, if you got this far in the video, please share this video amongst your friends, family, and coworkers to help us meet our goals. Thank you.